Easy installation and assembly. Usage band between 115 to 230 volt. With a compact design, it provides working experience even in the narrowest areas. With its new design, the cooling fan has taken from the rear and relocated on the top, and with its extra air channels on the sides, make EVO 225 more convenient for continuous use. All-day working opportunity with nearly 5-liter cooling water. User-friendly with touchscreen technology and clear interface. Easy to arrange power, depth, speed, diameter, and other parameters. With a camera system that can be controlled on the screen, the welding process can be viewed, recorded, and watched later. During the working time with HDMI output, reflecting opportunity to an external screen. HDMI support for external video output. Mini jack input for headphones and music playback on screen. Wi-Fi and Ethernet input and remote access. USB input for update software and multimedia files. Not strained eyes with using Leica stereo or lynx lens microscope options. Comfortable use with the extended welding chamber and removable welding reservoir. Optional connection for argon, nitrogen and air. For parameter settings, easy use with joystick. Ventilation system that absorbs disturbing gases during welding. Letter safety code at the entrance of welding chamber. High welding quality for all metal alloys due to its empowered feature. Provides approximately 10 to 15 million shots for silver alloys and approximately 20 to 25 million shots for gold alloys. 0.10 to 2 mm diameter shooting area, which provides sensible welding experience, easy to reach average welding value with simplified parameter setting screen. Unlimited name recording feature. Turkish language option. Emergency stop button for security. Provides user and machine safety with enhanced sensor system. You can call Pyramid Technical Service support for any inquiry.